Hello, guys, what's going on? Today, I want to talk about trading plan, and this is part of our tutorial on USD futures or perpetual swaps. All right, so if you're trading, you need a trading plan. Today's outline will include the following: what's a trading plan, why you need a trading plan, how to create one, and a sample trading plan. All right, so a trading plan is simply a framework of how you want to approach the market and progress as a trader. It is your rules and you will stick to it no matter what. Now, the importance of setting rules in trading for yourself cannot be overemphasized. The market is very broad, is almost infinite. There's an infinite number of possibilities. And sometimes it's so easy to get carried away. You can take as much risk as you want, you can use as much leverage as you want. There are so many pairs to choose from. So, because of that freedom, you need to create rules for yourself that is going to put you in check so that you don't just go off board. All right. So, regardless of your approach to trading, establishing a plan is crucial. You need to have clear goals and prevent yourself from going off course. You need to decide what you want to trade, how you're going to trade it, and at what point you're going to enter and exit the market. So, what are your goals? Your goals should be um, something like I want to develop a strong. Your goals could be that you desire freedom, for example. All right. Someone like me, I want to be free. I don't want a boss telling me what to do all the time. I want freedom of time and space. That could be part of your goals. I want to gain mastery of trading. I want to make a lot of money. That's also a very great goal. All right. But you need to understand that before you make a lot of money, you need to master the art of trading. All right. And you need to understand also that money is not really the goal. The goal is freedom, freedom of time and space. You know. So your goals could be anything. All right. These are my goals, and it could be different from yours. So this is what's going to drive you. This one is going to keep you going. Sometimes when the market is not going in your favor, this is going to keep you going. All right. So a sample trading plan. All right. The first thing you need to do is state your goals. My goal is to make. So this is sort of like the short-term goal. This is not like the overall. Okay, let's call this one the objective. My objective is to make 0 to 20 trades every week. I will not trade on weekends. You see what I'm doing there? I'm setting limitations for myself because the cryptocurrency market, unlike the stock market or the forex market, does not have opening or closing times. It's 24 hours, 7 days a week. So you need to set some boundaries for yourself and say, I'm not going to trade on weekends. This is just an example. You can decide, okay, you want to trade on weekends, but you need to have days that you rest because this is going to affect your trading. You need rest as a trader. Okay, so let's go on. That means I have to make 0 to 4 trades every day for 5 weekdays. If I reach my target of 4 trades in a day, I will stop trading. Right? You see what I'm doing there again? I'm setting a limitation for myself. I will study the market and review my journal for 30 minutes before I start to trade. Fine. So I'm setting a routine for myself. I will trade between 10 a.m. and 4 p.m. every working day. I will not trade outside my trading period. I will not even look at the charts. Now, One of the things you need to understand as a trader is that the less time you spend looking at the chart, the better for you. All right, because sometimes we get addicted to looking at the charts. We are staring at the chart 24/7, and over trading could be a very, very, very um painful mistake that you do as a trader. Sometimes you just want to not look at the chart. Once you've done your analysis, you have your plan and everything, you set your take profit and stop loss. Sometimes you just step away. All right. So let's go on. So this is sample trading plan. Okay. So I'll trade a capital of $10,000. For each trade, I risk 1% of my capital, which is $100. Okay. Now this is a beautiful risk management. Yeah. All right. If you want to learn more about risk management, I've done a video on risk management. You can check it out on my YouTube channel. So I'm taking 4 trades a day. That means I have the potential to lose 4% of my account, which is $400. So if I lose $400 in a day, that's cool. All right. It's not going to break me because I have a $10,000 account. If I lose 4% in 5 consecutive days, that means I would have lost 20% of my capital. Now, at this point, I know that something is definitely wrong. Because, come on, what are the odds that I'm going to lose every single day for 5 days consecutively? It's possible, but it means that I'm doing something wrong. All right. At this point, I will have to stop trading and redefine my edge and test it in a demo account before I re-enter the market. It could be that the market structure has changed. It could be that I'm now trading counter trend. It could be that there is a reversal and I'm not mindful of that. So there could be a lot of things that have happened. Right now, assuming that I'm trading with 10% of my capital per trade, I would have blown up my account before I realized that, oh my god, the market structure has changed. I need to change my trading style. Right, that's why you want to trade with a little percentage of your capital, so that in the eventuality that there is a change in market structure, you will be able to adjust before it becomes too critical. Now, my target for each day is 2% per trade. So my risk reward is um 1:2. That means I'm risking $100 to make $200. Beautiful. That means I have the potential to make 8%, $800 in a day if I win all my trades. All right. So you can see I'm setting targets for myself also. But if you notice this, if you notice this trading plan, I started with my risk before I talked about my reward. Now, if you're trading USDT futures, it's very important that you have at the back of your mind that your risk is more important than your reward. You have to take care of your downsides. All right, you have to take care of your worst case scenarios. And then, if you can take care of that, your reward is going to take care of itself. All right. So let's proceed. This is part of my trading plan. I'm going to write it out in a book. Right. So let's proceed. I'll start journaling or recording my trades before I execute them. Then complete the recording when I exit the trade with profit or loss. I will stop trading when, number one, I've reached my target number of trades, I've reached my maximum loss, or I've reached my maximum profit. You see what I'm doing right there? I'm setting rules for myself so I know how to behave in the market. So if, for example, I've made 5 trades in a day, I know I'm not supposed to make any other trade. I'm trying to limit myself because sometimes I don't want to put myself now this is very important because I don't want to put myself in a situation where I made all my trades, they eat my take profit and I'm very happy, I'm very ecstatic, I'm euphoric, and I feel a lot of emotions and I want to get into the market and just win, 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 win. It usually doesn't end well when you start getting euphoric and you start wanting to take trades, right? Sometimes the best time to exit the market is when you're in profit, right? But most times, most traders, they would have made a lot of profit and then they'll go with that euphoria, with that emotion, and then give it all back to the market. If you have a trading plan like this, it will ensure that you you restrict yourself. All right. The next point, I will increase my capital when I have more money. Definitely, if I have more money, I can, trade more. I have mastered MT4. Okay, this is a beginner trader. I've mastered consistency in executing and executing trades. I've tested with the same capital on a demo account. Very good. Now, if I'm trading a $10,000 account and I want to graduate from $10,000 to maybe $50,000 or $100,000, it would be wise for me to test that amount on a demo account. Because the strategy that works for a $10,000 account may not work for a $100,000 account, right? So you need to test with the same capital on a demo account just to make sure. Then I will increase my capital, as a reward when I've consistently followed my plans. If you follow your plans, you're gonna win. All right. So you're making a lot of money, be able to compound. So continuing, I'll trade BTC USDC on a crypto exchange. You have to be specific. I recommend that you trade with OKX. All right. OKX. OKX is one of the biggest derivative exchanges in the world. And if you're registering with OKX, you could get a free gift of $110 when you register with my link. All right, just go with this bit.ly/Tochukaka OKX. Just register, and you will get a free gift of $110. All right, so you can check the description of this video for more details about the bonus. All right, or the free gift. So let's continue. So I'll trade BTC USD on a crypto exchange. So I already know the market I'm going to trade, right? If I want to trade more markets, I have to decide. I have to plan it ahead, right? I don't want to trade in such a way that I hear that, for example, XRP is mooning, and I just go there. Oh, XRP is mooning, and I want to take advantage of the opportunity. If that is within my trading plan, if I have planned to do that, if I've already written down, okay, if I find the market where there's an opportunity, I'm going to trade there, that's fine. But if I don't have such plan, I have to limit myself and say, okay, I don't care what's happening in XRP. I'm only trading in BTC USDC. Everything has to be according to your plan. I'll stick to my edge, all right? In another video, I talked about the meaning of edge, the meaning of your trading edge. And then I read one book about trading psychology every month. I'll trade in the direction of the trend always. My goal is to be in the trend with zero risk. That means placing my stop loss above my initial price entry. I'll quit trading when I'm making profit. All right. So this is a sample trading plan. All right. As you can see, it contains all the do's and don'ts, all my rules and regulations as a trader. It's good that as a trader, you write it out, you paste it somewhere, and you go through it periodically. It could be every day, it could be every week. Go through your trading plan, adjust it. As you grow in trading, a lot of things will change. All right, so your trading plan has to be dynamic to your needs as a trader. But it is important that you have a trading plan and you have this set of rules and regulations to guide you as a trader. If you don't, you're just going to be jumping from one place to another without discipline, and it could lead to you making stupid mistakes that will cost you money. All right. So I hope that was value for your time. Let's take a quick recap. We've talked about the meaning of a trading plan. We talked about why you need a trading plan. We talked about a sample trading plan. All right. So using this sample trading plan that we talked about, as you can see, just some bullet points. All right. So you can use this as a template to create your own trading plan. All right. You need to figure out your own objective, your own goals of trading. You need to figure out the capital that you want to start with. The capital that you want to start with is going to be based on what you're earning right now, your income, and your risk appetite. All right. And then plans of how I'm going to grow as a trader and so forth. All right. We talked about all those things. And I want to use this opportunity to invite you to the IM trading community, the IM crypto community. This is where you're going to network with top traders, get quality technical and fundamental analysis for your trades, gain access to premium signals. Right? If you want access to this community, just follow this link bit.ly/IM Trading Academy. This is one of the best academy out there, and if you're not here, you're missing out. You're missing out on a lot of gains. Our community members are cashing out every day, making a lot of profit from the cryptocurrency market. All right, so create an OKX account and get a free gift of up to $110. Make sure you use my link and reach out to me on WhatsApp. I'm going to give you details on how it's going to work. Um, Follow me on Twitter and Instagram and Facebook, Tojukaka everywhere, and follow In Crypto for insights on crypto trading and investing. And visit our website, incrypto.com. All right. That will be all for today. Thank you very much for watching. I hope this video was value for your time.